guys, welcome to my channel. This is Wiseman. I'm here today to teach you how you can buy and resell data bundle and airtime in order to make extra income. You know, people buy data every day, people buy airtime every day. So it's a business that when you engage into it, you make money each and every day. People make 50 cedis, 100 cedis a day, even some make 200 cedis a day, depend on how serious you are. Okay, and we are living in a world that you can't depend on only one stream of income. You have to get multiple source of income. So this one, I think everyone can do it. Yeah, because you just have to be in your room, just use your smartphone. So please don't let your smartphone consume all your money. Your smartphone must rather bring money to you. Okay, so your smartphone must rather give you money. So please watch the video to an end and please subscribe. If today happens to be your first time on my channel, please subscribe. All right, so I'm going to show you how you can buy data, resell it to people, airtime, resell it to people, and make income or make profits. Are you with me? All right, so let's go. We go to a website. Okay, go to a website. That's the website. Okay, digiwapi.com. So let's go to that website. All right, so if you happen to be here for your first time, then you have to create an account. Okay, you have to create an account. So here we have airtime and data bundle, we have TV subscription and other ones. So let's see how to create the account. You see register or login. So I've already created an account, so they will just take me in. But if you are first user here, then it means that you have to create an account. So in creating the account, you just have to fill your name, your email address, and that's all. Okay, fill your name, your email address, your number, then that's all. After creating the account, this is how the interface looks like. So you have the dashboard, commissions, transactions, wallet, top up, utilities, and the rest. Okay, so let's first of all check on commissions. All right, so you see MTN, silver 2.5, gold 3, diamond 3.5, premium 4. Okay, so let's come to Vodafone. That's the commission that you get. Vodafone, the same thing, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4. Then you come to Glow, the same thing. You get it? So these are the commissions that you get. So the silver package is there, you go by the diamond, the premium. All right, so let's quickly go to how to buy the data bundle and resell it. So let's come to top up here. Okay, top up. When you click on top up, you see airtime, data bundle, and utility. So we are looking for airtime or data bundle. Let's first of all look at the airtime. Okay, if you want to buy and resell airtime, just click on the airtime. Okay, airtime, come to MTN. All right, so when you come to MTN, you enter the number that you want to buy the airtime for. So 024141 1215. This is the number that you want to buy the airtime for. Okay, enter the amount. I want to buy 20 cedis. All right, so click on submit. All right, so 20 cedis, we are going to pay 19 cedis 50 pesos. 19 cedis 50 pesos to them. So the 50 pesos will be your commission. Are you with me? The 50 pesos will be your commission. This one is for the silver package. All right, so if you want to buy, you just click on submit. Okay, so the transaction pin will be sent to you. You just enter it here, then you click on what? Submit. It will be sent to your email. You click on submit to buy it. All right, let's go to the bundle. Come to top up, go to data, select MTN or any network. If it is for Vodafone, you select it. Select the number, enter the number 024 41 12 15. All right, so these are the data packages. We have data bundle, we have Coco, we have social media, then we have video bundles. All right, so you choose the package that you want. So if you are to buy this one, no expiry, so just click on it. All right, so come to submit and look at, wow, so this one, which is 391.02, will be deducted from your account. All right, please collect 399 from the customer. You will earn 7 cedis from the transaction. I hope it's quite cool. All right, it's quite cool. So you are going to earn 7 cedis from the transaction. So please, it's quite cool. You need not to work anything on it. You just have to take your smartphone and do it. You can do it as your extra work. When someone calls you for an airtime, you just type the person number here. Please, this is how you are not going to buy it to your phone and transfer it. You don't transfer data. Okay, as for airtime, you can do, but this one, if the person wants to buy, just enter the person's number here and enter the amount. If the person is buying 20 cedis, the person will send you the 20 cedis. But if you are to buy here, they will give you commission. Okay, so you will buy the 20 cedis here, but they will give you commission here, so that you will send the 20 cedis to the person, but here they will give you commission. So at the end of the day, if you are able to buy, let's say 200 cedis airtime for people, you can get 20 cedis or 30 cedis as your profit. Are you with me? So please, guys, let's take this opportunity to create other source of income for ourselves. It's just about using your smartphone. It's just about using your smartphone. So let your smartphone fetch you money. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification button for more videos. Thank you.